Hello everybody and welcome back to another visual pattern challenge. Here's our pattern today. Here's step 1, step 2, and step 3. And your challenge is to predict the number of euro coins in step 4. If you can do that, can you predict the number in step 43? And can you write an equation that could be used to predict the number of euro coins in any step at all? So that's the challenge. If you'd like to accept it, pause the video and see what you can do. All right, so, looks like this is growing pretty quickly. We start with, what is this, 6, and then we're up to 13. Oh, and then we're up to 20, so that's a pretty rapid rate. I don't know if this is quadratic or linear yet. Actually, I'm thinking maybe linear on this one. And right off the bat, I don't see an obvious pattern that jumps out. We've got these rows of 5. So here's one row of 5 and then 2 rows of 5, but we've got 1 extra and 3 extra. And then we've got 3 rows of 5. Oh, and then we have 5 extra. So I guess in the next step, we could think of it maybe having one more row of 5. So 4 rows of 5. And then it went 1 extra, 3 extra, 5 extra, so plus 7 extra. So that would be 27 for step 4. That's my prediction for step 4, 27. What exactly is happening with this pattern? It doesn't leap out at me from the way these coins are arranged, so I think I'm going to analyze the numbers and we'll see exactly what is going on here. So I'll make a chart with the step number and the number of euros in each step. So in step 1, that's 6. In step 2, we have 13. In step 3, we have 20. And for step 4, we're predicting 27. Okay, so let's subtract to find the difference between each step. 13 minus 6 is 7. 20 minus 13 is also 7. And 27 minus 20 is 7. Aha! So we're getting a constant in our differences, in our first order differences. So that means it's a linear pattern. So we can use the equation for a line, y equals mx plus b, to model that. And our slope, the m here, is going to be this difference. The rate of change of this pattern is a way you can think about it. So y equals 7x. We don't know what our b is yet, so let's try it out, the stem of this equation. Let's try it out with step 1. So y equals 7 times, and here for x, we put in the step number. That's what x stands for. And 7 times 1 would be 7, but we have 6 euro coins here. So that's 1 too many. We're actually going to have to subtract 1 to get to 6. So 7 times 1 is 7, minus 1 is 6. That's how many coins we have here. So our b is actually a negative 1, and this should be our equation. But let's try that out in step 2. So 7 times step 2 minus 1, that would be 14 minus 1 is 13. Yep, that's how many there are. How about step 3? 7 times step 3 minus 1, that'd be 21 minus 1 is 20. Perfect. Okay, so this equation seems to be working well. Y equals 7x minus 1. Now, to determine the number in step 43, we're just going to plug 43 in for x here. So 7 times 43 minus 1. And let's see, what is 7 times 43? Well, 7 times 40 would be 280. And 7 times 3, come on, pen. 7 times 3 would be 21. So that's 301. Minus 1 would just be 300. So there are 300 euros in step 43. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get 27 for step 4? Did you see that this was a linear equation? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.